the bridge. Mira is the best, no?
More expensive. But this is like just a nice area.
Yeah.
I don't know where.
But
that's
there's no
gonna take
marina,
us.
no?
I don't know where this will take us, but we can always find the place. Oh, this is the new building, you see.
See. Here. Yeah, nice
See
shape.
the new building here?
Nice shape, no? Yeah. This one also like different shape, no? This one.
Yeah,
And there's a water there. See, water. This one also. This is the only one here, no?
there's people here parking their cars. We can park our cars.
Overlooking the sea. There's another one here.
This area.
Near to the Durham. Oops. We're going to the...
It's close from there, so let's walk in this area. This is the new building.
beach.
Wow, leasing. You can rent here, Mom.
That building over there. I want
And it's
to...
water from all sides, almost. Which apartment you take, you still... Or we can park
It's okay,
there.
it's okay. Look, I can... It's like Burj... It's what is this? Burj Al Arab, the shape.
Right.
There's a car inside, Zido. That one. Look, look. That one, that circle one, has a car inside. Look, look. Find the car. He's looking because we mentioned car. Look, nice one, no? I like a circle, Zido. Look, oh. A big one. Yeah, that one, nice canal.
Most of
Going
these
to the...
buildings are facing the canal.
Zido,
Area.
You have to study hard and work hard so you will live here. So you will become successful, okay?
Hassan lives here.
Bridge, Zido, nice bridge. Oh, look, all white.